What's up, Amazon KDP sellers? Ike Paz here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create ESL workbooks, English as a second language workbooks, and how to get into this market, how to create activity books for this market using AI, our Elite Kai AI tool within your Moji app. The cool thing about this is you get a cohesive story with coloring book elements on top of the ESL workbook itself. Everything works together. You're going to love this. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like videos like this. Okay, now, before I begin, make sure you watch this until the very end. I'm going to show you right quick, give you a preview of what we're making today. We're making a intergalactic ESL English as a second language workbook. It's really cool. Okay, so make sure you watch this until the very end. Okay, let's get right to it. And inside of Bo's Pause, what you want to do is to scroll down to Moji. Now, Moji is the Japanese for like lettering. Okay, so lettering worksheets. Basically, we're talking about ESL, English as a second language, workbooks for kids who want to, or their parents want them to learn the basics of English, the building blocks of English, the English language. And so we're going to launch that app. But the cool thing about what I'm showing you today, because I've already done videos about Moji, this Moji tool and how it works. But what I'm going to show you here is how to create activity books with a cohesive story with coloring book elements on top of the English as a second language material, which is really cool. Okay. So the first thing you want to do, actually, before we get into this AI tool and how it works, I want to show you what the keywords have to do with this. So this is just one of a plethora of different keywords you can attack for this market. So ESL activity book, you see that? ESL activity book, and there's a good amount of keywords associated with that. And if we look at on Amazon, oh, by the way, if you want free access to this tool, I'll have the link down below, okay, for this. Also on Amazon, as you can see, there's around 3,000 results, and you can see people are actively buying these types of books. Look at the reviews, okay, which is really cool. Okay, so we have different examples that are pointing to the same direction. This is a thriving market, and again, there's different types of workbooks you can create around the ESL market, different types of niches. But for right now, I want to show you how to create an AI-based, well, I should say AI-created workbook for this market that has a cohesive story, coloring book elements on top of the ESL workbook itself. So we're going to click on story here. We're going to let this tool, the AI, give us a random idea. This is just for example's sake, where children pilot a rocket ship to trace letters and rescue friendly aliens stranded on different planetary outposts. Sounds good to me. I'm going to go for a long book here, longer book right here. And that's it. I'm going to click generate. So I'm going to do that. And let's see what this looks like. So let me read this for you right quick. Let's read the first part of the story. Let's see. Welcome, I'm Finn Pilot, and this is my star rocket. We are on a mission to save our friends across the galaxy. Are you ready to start with the letter A? And we see the first image is of Finn, and A, and we have the A workbook section where they have to write in the letter A, which is really cool, B, and so forth, which is really cool. So you have a basic activity book with a cohesive story, a coloring book on top of the actual ESL, or in this example, alphabet training, okay? And that's the really cool part, but we want to add some more. Always you want to add an instructional, okay? Just click instructional up here, right there. Make sure you click instructional, click plus, and we have an instructional now, okay? And also we want to copyright, so click copyright, click plus, and create the name of your book. And we got our instructional, and we got our actual activity book with solutions, of course. Click export all. Let's download as a single PDF. Okay. And we have access to this brand new book that we can sell online on the world's biggest buyer search engine traffic platform. Click save. And here we go. We got our book title, we got our activities, okay, and then we have the solutions in the back. If you've watched it to this point, I'd like to ask you a question, and this question has to do with another school-related question. When you were studying English at school, like English Lit, or maybe English is a second language for some of you, let me know what part of English was the most difficult to learn. Okay, so back in English, when we were studying English in junior high, we had to create these grammar trees. If you remember, yeah, you'd have the SVO, subject, verb, object, and you'd have to branch out the preposition, right? And you'd have to branch out, like, let's say, an adverb for the object, right? So you'd have to branch out the parts of the grammar. So you'd have to write out a sentence, then you'd have to branch it out in these little diagrams. And for me, that was just, it wasn't difficult, but it was time intensive, So I really didn't like that. But let me know what part of the English language was most difficult for you. I mean, even if you are a native speaker, you did have to study English at school. Maybe you had to take a semester of Shakespeare. And please like and subscribe if you like this video and you want more videos like this. Take care.